So, good morning, everyone. It's 4 past. We're starting now. I'm Fabio Giunta, Digital and Data Consultant for the Energy Systems Catapult. And today we will hear from Innovate UK that will give us a short introduction of the Prospering from the Energy Revolution program, Advanced Infrastructure and Urban Tide. We will have a break of 10 minutes between the two projects. And then now we'll just remind you some housekeeping. So please keep your microphone and camera off. We are recording this session, and we ask you to send all your questions or comments through the chat. We will have a 10 minutes Q&A at the end of each presentation for each of the projects, and I hope you will enjoy this. Now, Damien, the stage is yours.
Thanks, Fabio. Just pressing all my buttons. So yeah, good morning, everybody. So my name is Damien Kelly, and I'm an innovation lead at Innovate UK. And I work in the Prospering from the Energy Revolution Challenge. So you are here today to hear from the final two projects, part of the MEDApps, or Modernizing Energy Data Applications projects. The first three were yesterday, and all of these projects are funded as part of the Prospering from the Energy Revolution Challenge. The Prospering from the Energy Revolution Challenge, or PFER as an acronym, is funded as part of the government's Industrial Strategy Challenge Fund and is being delivered by Innovate UK. The program began in 2018 and is going to run for just over another year until March 2023. And we are funding over 50 different projects and 180 different organizations as part of the program. On the left-hand side, you can see the different strands of part of the program. So we've got design and demonstrator projects. We've got a number of research work streams. And we've also got a technology program, and we've a data and digitalization stream. And on the right-hand side, you'll get a bit of a flavor for the types of organizations we're funding. Today, we're talking about the Modernizing Energy Data Applications projects, and two in particular. This program forms a part of our data and digitalization strand. Some of you, or maybe all of you, might be familiar with the first competition as part of this strand, which was called Modernizing Energy Data Access, or MEDA. That competition funded initially 3 different organizations and ultimately went through a phased competition and ended up funding the final winner as part of that strand, which was Open Energy being developed by Icebreaker 1. The second competition as part of this strand was Modernizing Energy Data Applications, and that's who we're here to talk about today, a couple of those winners. That competition launched last year and was a 2-phase competition, and we funded 9 projects as part of the first phase of the competition, and we progressed to fund 5 projects as part of the second phase. So you are here today to hear from a couple of those projects as part of the second phase. And the last strand as part of this, or the last competition as part of this data and digitalization strand of PFER, is the Open Digital Solutions for Net Zero Energy competition. So we have just launched this competition, or opened this competition, in the last couple of weeks. This competition is basically looking to fund open technology for solutions that can solve or accelerate net zero energy. This is a single phase competition, and projects will be 9 months in length. Applications are open now and are open for, I think, another 3 weeks or so. We are looking to fund up to 4 projects as part of this competition, and there's up to £300,000 per project available. This will be available, I think, via the webinar. We will also paste in the links to this competition into the chat as well, so you can click through for more information. You can see both the competition page and also a copy or a catch-up of the briefing event, which was held last week. Okay, so I shall stop talking, and I will hand over to Lily and Christopher from Advanced Infrastructure Technology Limited. They're going to be speaking to you today about their product and the project, LAEP Plus, or Local Area Energy Planning Plus. Lily.